Hi there guys, it's Brian here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you update on Bitcoin, right? Like what's the current situation with Bitcoin and crypto, and what could possibly be the price moving forward from here. Okay, so I'm on TradingView now, and this is Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin USD on Bitstamp, and this is on the daily time frame period. So you can see Bitcoin has been on a very smooth sailing uptrend, right, ever since April. So this orange line here is the 50-day moving average. So you can see it's never really fallen below that, right, until about here. So from what I see is that there's starting to have there's a change in the trend now, right? Because ever since it went up here, you see there's some consolidation, and then Bitcoin tried to make a second attempt to break through, got rejected over here, and then over here it just come down, broke below the 50 MA, but then it rebounded, right? So this is another attempt uh, at the bulls, right, for the bulls to push the prices up, but it got rejected again. You can see over here. So this has kind of like formed a resistance in the short run right now, because you can see here 1, 2, and now again when price tried to go, and then it got rejected. It's like a long wick, and then now we are moving down. So what I see is that it's not looking good at all, because there's multiple attempts to break through to the upside, right? You see here is a very hopeful long green, but then it got rejected back down, and then so you see ever since it failed to break through, it stopped making higher highs, and from here, right, it keep on went on to make high highs over here as well, over here. But now finally it seems like the party might be over for now. It's been how many days? Like about a month since since the price didn't go up, so it's not looking good at all. And you can see also that I've got the Ichimoku cloud here, and you see for the first time in a long time the price has just fallen below the cloud. So I think there's likely gonna be at least in the short term, right, some downward pressure in the price here. And if you see this yellow line, this has acted as a support on the way on the run up, right, and that's been broken as well. So from the way I see it, right, ever since here it's like down, up, down, up, and then likely I think what's gonna happen is down again. And based on the Fibonacci extension I've drawn out, right, and I think likely the price is gonna drop anywhere to around here, right, 0.5 to 0.785, right. This will be a sweet spot if you want to go short, and you can take your profit over there. And if you want to be safe, just put a stop loss anywhere above this trend, right. So I'll say somewhere around here, right. It's a good spot, right. I've drawn this up, right, your risk to reward ratio. And also how does this affect the overall crypto market? So if you see here, this is the Bitcoin dominance for the market cap, and you can see right here, right, the moment it touches, it's going down already. So over here, right, there's a sharp drop down. Over here not so much, so we'll see what happens, right. But definitely you see, right, it coincides perfectly at the point and it starts going down. And now probably this right here might act as the support. So if this is the case, you might see it come down to around here, right? Which this is like kind of like a support to resistance that now turns to support. And so what this means is that usually when Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoin tend to do better. Altcoin to Bitcoin pairing, because the money will start to flow out from Bitcoin and into the altcoin, and you can see that is exactly what's happening. Over here I've got the altcoin market cap. So this is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. So you see on over here, right? Look at this, 16 July is the day it straightway dropped down. And look at here, 16 July, right here. Yeah, after that it starts going up. So I think that if Bitcoin price continues to go down, then the Bitcoin dominance will go down as well, and altcoin will start to do better. And you can see on some coins like Ripple, see, 16 July as well. So you can see there's like pretty strong correlation here, and you see it's like kind of forming like a ascending triangle now, right? Over here is kind of like the support, ascending triangle, or like a symmetrical triangle, right? Either way, if it breaks up from this the support, I mean the resistance, then likely we might see a upside here. So for altcoins with Bitcoin pairing, I'm pretty bullish, right? If you want to go long, this could be a good time, because a lot of altcoins take a lot of beating, right? It's down so much. So if this is the next altcoin run, then there's a lot of upside potential, because it's dropped down by so much. And for altcoin with USD pairing, I would say maybe just avoid those for now, because when Bitcoin goes down, then altcoin with USD pairing, they tend to go down also, because it's based on like the USD pairing. So yep, that's my update, my forecast for foreseeable future for Bitcoin and the altcoin. And yeah, so if you are thinking to cash out or go short, this might be a good time, right? Or you can wait and see what happens, right? But like I said, one time, two time, yeah, that's right. And then now below the cloud, so broken support, like there's just a lot of strong points that point to Bitcoin reversing and then going down into the bear market, right? And having said that, if you are interested in knowing more about my journey, right, as how I came to trade crypto and everything, and I've got a free workshop, right, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool, right? You can learn about my journey, how I managed to make about 30K, right, in a week while on holiday, right? And this was back in, I think, start of the year last year, right, when Bitcoin price is a little higher, right, actually much higher. So it was based on that Bitcoin price at that time, right, but still pretty good money, right? And I also share with you why I think crypto, eventually in the long run is gonna be really really good, right? And I compare it to fiat and gold, and I think it's gonna be really cool, right? So I'm gonna leave a link to it somewhere in the down below, so check that out. And it's free, right? Just have a look. I think it's really really good. See you guys.